Hello again and welcome to another session of BATUK Storytime, an extra special one this week because today is World Book Day. So even though it's not the weekend, I'm going to do an extra one. And it's also St. George's Day today. So that's how we choose this book, Max the Brave. Max the Brave by Vere. This is Max. Doesn't Max look sweet? And you can see him there. Max looks so sweet that sometimes people dress him up in ribbons. Max does not like being dressed up in ribbons because Max is a fearless kitten. Max is a brave kitten. Max is a kitten who chases mice. Max the Brave just needs to find out what a mouse looks like, and then he will chase it. Maybe Mouse is in there. Max bravely explores the can. Mouse, are you in? Mouse isn't in there. Oh, hello. Can you see him exploring in the can? Are you Mouse? No, I'm Fly, says Fly. But I just saw Mouse going by a moment ago. Maybe this is what Mouse looks like. Excuse me, please, but are you Mouse? I'm not Mouse, I'm Fish, says Fish. But I just saw Mouse dash outside. Here we go. That's Max speaking to the fly and the fish. That must be Mouse up in the tree. Excuse me, please, are you Mouse? We're not Mouse, we are birds, said the birds. But we did just see Mouse shoot by. Here we go. Poor Max. Wonder if he'll find out what Mouse looks like. Excuse me, but would you happen to be Mouse? Mouse? I'm not Mouse, I'm Elephant, said Elephant. But I did just see Mouse skitter by. Thank you very much, says Max. Would you mistake Elephant for a mouse? And you? No, that way. It's him meeting a rabbit. Hello there, are you Mouse by any chance? Who, me? No, certainly not. I'm Monster, squeaks Mouse. But I did just see Mouse asleep over there. If you're very quick, you might catch him. Oh, thank you very much, says Mouse. I think someone might be fibbing in that because that looks very much like a mouse to me, not a monster. This must be Mouse.